It's winter now and we haven't seen many birds around our property, but today is a chilly and cool morning, and for the first time in a while, we have birds that are happy and chirping, thanks to the new bird station we set up. Birds seem to know instinctively that they need to bathe in order to keep their feathers in good condition, and of course they need food, so if you don't have those resources, they'll go find it. Most people realize the importance of water in the summertime, but it's equally as important to provide water in the winter. Even with freezing temperatures, birds will still use bird baths, both to drink and to bathe. So today we're setting up our new heated bird bath for the birds to enjoy through winter. Our heated bird bath comes with a manual, legs that are in the shape of elephants, it has a mounting bracket, a clamp, a chain, power cable, and the bird bath. Installation is super easy. There are several ways to hang and use this bird bath. You can take your elephants and slide them into the bottom, giving the bird bath a nice base to sit up off the ground. Then while it's upside down, connect and tighten down your power cable. Make sure it's screwed down tight so no water can get in. Now you can use the mounting bracket, but I'm going to be hanging it. So next we're going to tighten down the rings so we can connect our chain. Then once all the rings are screwed down, the chain easily clips into place and is ready to be hung. I put out some bird suet to help attract the birds and found a place to hang the bird bath. Then I plugged it in, filled it up with fresh drinking water, cleaned up my mess, then I let it heat up while I hung a camera so I could watch them from my office. Whenever I set out something new for the birds, it takes them a while to trust it, but word got around that there was food and we had birds in no time. It's snowing and cold out and we haven't heard or seen many birds at all lately, but now our kitties have birds to watch all day. Obviously the main hit is the food. It's not easy to find fresh food in winter, so they loved it, but it was cool to see the birds sitting on the bird bath warming up from the steam, getting a quick drink, waiting to eat, or just relaxing on the wire. Once I get a sturdy permanent location, they'll be bathing in it in no time. But first we had to test it. So I came out to check on it and refill it the next morning, and you can actually see steam rolling out of it. Any non-heated water source would be frozen right now. As you could see, it's less than 10 degrees outside, yet the bird bath reads it's in the upper 50s. If it was a little bigger, I wouldn't mind hopping in myself. It was warm to the touch. And at night, the LED light lights it up, making it look like an inviting little hot tub. So although I'll never get the chance to take a dip, the birds will, and I'm excited to watch them enjoy it. It's been so fun bird watching and actually hearing birds sing outside my window. We've even seen a woodpecker couple. We use the bird feeder on occasion, and I've never seen them. Maybe it was the fresh water and warm steam that attracted them. So whether you are wanting to bird watch or have cats that would enjoy bird watching, this bird bath is a great addition, and I'm sure your birds will thank you. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go listen to the birds sing and watch them from my window with my kitties. See ya!